Okay, so I saw this trend on TikTok where people take a photo of themselves and then they see what type of sound pops up, and it's really funny, and I want to do it with Grace. So let's see what happens.
Okay, get like a...
Princess, where are you? You can't hide.
Days in the life of one of these weird-looking things.
What? Oh my god.
I'm gonna serve it up.
Yeah, serve.
Serve it up?
Serve it up. Oh, so it took them some time to... Oh. Okay, Western wannabe.
If I'm in my body and you're in yours with no way to swap, how could we ever truly be together? No matter how hard I press my face into yours, space...
Where's this going?
If I'm in my body...
That's it? Okay.